So former Miss World and Southeast Centre Member of Parliament, Lisa Hanna, is very, very popular on social media, especially on her Instagram. Her Instagram account is normally very active, and from time to time she kind of sparks a bit of discussion or controversy via posts that she makes on her Instagram account. The latest one is that she tries to explain the presence of a massive ganja tree in her backyard. Some people give her a hard time for it, some people like it. Me go talk about it, me go share some of the comments that the post has attracted on IG, and we'll see if this is a big deal. You see me, I say, me soon circle. Before we proceed, smash the like button to pieces, leave a comment, please share the life out of this video, feel free to subscribe for more content, remember to turn on your notification so as to never miss another video.
Let's do it.
Lisa Hanna is once again making rounds online, this time after she uploaded a giant ganja tree which sits firmly in her backyard. According to the opposition spokesperson Youth and Culture, whom says she does not drink or smoke, the marijuana plant is as a result of birds dropping the seeds in her yard. She uploaded the picture with the caption, "When birds drop kaya in her yard." As expected, the Member of Parliament got some heat from social media users after the photo went viral. However, she used the opportunity to educate the public on the laws governing ganja on the island. So the post was accompanied by the following statement: Jamaica is developing the medical marijuana industry. Go and check out the avenues for investment. The laws have changed. You can legally have 5 potted plants. Plus, we decriminalized 2 ounces of ganja and put in place the legislation for the investments while in government. People are no longer charged criminally for 2 ounces, she added. So peeps, you know, people in Jamaica funny. Some people try bringing politics in the thing. Some people make the thing a bigger deal than it is. So these are some of the comments that the post would have received. One person said, "Lisa, you too lie, and you plant it." Somebody else said, "That level of quality not just drops up." Haha, good one. Lisa, I need some ASAP. Laugh out loud. Somebody else said, "Solid. You the birds drop some. Yo, the birds drop some over my yard too." What a tree, nice. Need some tea. The user hires a bird when they drop the seed there. Dead with laugh. Somebody quote the I don't song. Yeah. Yes. Somebody else say, "Birds, those are some good florists." Those birds know something we all don't. Laugh out loud. Lucky. Yes, Lord. Birds look like purple skunk. Boil some for your tea. Somebody else say, "Medication." Another person said, "The tree of life." Another, "Yes, blame it on the birds." Somebody said, "Birds." Somebody else, "Nice." Another person said, "You all need to fully legalize it because I strongly believe it can be beneficial to our economy." Which is right. Plant up the herbs. They do laugh. It's a message. If I saw Bob say fi tell uno say fi legalize it, only you can persuade them. So jump on it. My gone. Thank the bird later. That is what I would tell the cops too. It was the birds, officer. Stop blaming the birds. So may I leave it right there, so peeps.
Beat and teach. So beat and teach. So beat and teach. 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 Beat and teach.
So peeps, big deal or not? Well, me personally don't really see the big deal here. So you understand? It's not like it's a farm, couple of acres of land Lisa have cultivating ganja, and it's one ganja plant in her backyard. She's claiming that is a bird drop the seed there. Whether bird drop it there or a friend or she says she not smoke, she says she not drink. Me kind of believe that part still. You understand? She not drink the tea. Me don't know why you drink the tea part, but she says she not smoke. Me don't really say Lisa's a smoker, but you never know. So probably it's one of our visitor, one of our guests, or somebody just drop it there, or the wind blow the seed there, or the bird drop it there. No matter. It's a single ganja plant in the lady backyard. It's not like it's a forest, a ganja tree in there. You see me I said? And then some people are going to not trust politician and this and that and that. Sometimes when I not much to talk here, big and serious, because this is as minor a situation as it gets. You see me, I say ganja tree there all boy place on the roadside, everywhere, on some hillside, because the water might wash a seed somewhere they say take root, it be here, you understand? The wind might blow a seed there, so a man might I roll up a spliff and throw some seed and it grow there. So no big deal. You see me I say, so I could stop me and China man and no peeps. Seeing a ganja tree look healthy too. I overlook a city. You understand me I say? It's a good look. You see me? Me no smoke still. But nothing at all we no smoke. You understand? But it's a plan. Yeah, one ganja plan. It's not a farm. It's not a ganja farm. So peeps, leg off of that. My God. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.